Hi, welcome to my Chavacana travel. Okay, and today I don't really have anything plans, but we can,
Too hot outside.
I can, yeah, maybe I can do some cooking here. I have that basmati rice here. Make this basmati rice, and then
There's also some
um,
chorizo sausages.
yeah, and
100%
also
all natural.
yeah, and maybe I can do some of my TikTok video or maybe karaoke here and do some exercise for my, my muscles. I think that's all. That's our plan tonight, right? Or today. So
Can't do anything. It's too hot. Don't want to go
maybe-
anywhere. Trying to save up money for our trip to Florida in early October. So
Yeah.
just spend a lot of time at home. And remember to like and subscribe and ring the bell.
Like and subscribe. So, oops, it's not even open.
Mm-mm. It's brand new.
It says slide.
Unopened.
Yeah, I didn't have a hole.
What kind of rice do we have today, Nora?
This one is called Donar Nutricia Brown Basmati Rice.
Indian brown basmati rice.
I don't like brown rice, but I will try this one and see how it is. So
I like brown rice, and it's healthier than white rice.
I'm gonna cook, and also we had Frankie bought some sausages from Whole Foods.
I cooked 4 of them yesterday.
Chorizo sausage.
Look how fat they are.
So
They are
I'm gonna cook
huge,
that.
like Andre Giant's fingers. Look at
Yeah.
that.
So you want me to cook it on the frying pan here? With
Yeah, we'll just cook inside. I don't want to grill. It's so hot out there and so many flies and everything. So
I'm gonna do that, and then I have some corn right here.
corn.
That was frozen, from.
Oh,
Albany,
that's South Georgia corn.
Yeah, so I can cook that one.
Okay.
And also, what else? I'm planning on going to the Indian grocery store to get some green mango.
When?
Today, like late
Today?
afternoon. Because I had this bagoong that I bought.
Oh, the purple nasty?
It's not nasty
It's nasty to Americans, Nora.
to Americans, but not to Filipinos or if you're here. See, I have that bagoong.
Ugh.
I want to make some bagoong. I got maybe I'll make it today. I have the coconut milk. Do we have tomatoes?
What kind of tomatoes?
Just
Like raw tomatoes?
anything- yeah. So I
We
can
have those little cherry tomatoes.
I can use that. Yeah, I can put tomatoes, and then I also have the chili peppers that I cannot make it spicy. Oh yeah, we've got some tomatoes.
Mm-hmm.
Those
Yeah, I always buy those for us, Nora.
Yeah, and I have this.
They're different colors.
To put so it'll be spicy.
Mm-hmm.
So that I can make.
I'll let you eat that.
Yeah. So what's this one?
Green onion.
Oh, green onions. Yeah, I can. No, I can't. No green onions. So that I can do. And I have wine. How about that?
I
can drink
occasionally
wine
can
today.
tolerate a little bit of wine. I'm more of a beer man, though.
I can drink wine today since it's my day off. I work 6 days a week or 5 days a week. I work 9 a.m.
Yeah,
till
but let's not
11.
give any misconceptions. Everybody, Nora is
11:30,
really not a
yeah.
drinker. She's a very religious person, comes from a religious family.
I drink
When
one
Nora
glass.
drinks, she drinks one
One glass.
glass. Okay?
So I work
Not one bottle or
every
2
day
bottles.
at the hospital. We're very, very busy with this COVID right now. We have so many patients and the ER or whatever. We're really busy. So,
Okay, this scene is running on 3.5 minutes long, so
okay, so this I didn't show you guys last time. I made some fried
peanuts. They're very good too.
Actually, very
Nora
good.
did a good
You
job
have
with
to
those.
be really careful when you cook those. You don't want to overcook it and burn it. But that's perfect right there.
Yep, I ate
So-
the other bowl of
Yeah,
them.
we
Well,
made
almost the
two.
whole thing. See, it's gone.
Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I wanted to make some lumpia, the vegetable lumpia, but I had this one too. I can make some mussels. I have one left. I can cook that. I have some wrapper here, but if I don't feel too tired, I need some ground pork though. If we have any ground pork, I can make. But
Well, we probably won't be able to do lumpia today, but
yeah, so I have the wrapper I bought to make lumpia. You know, the vegetable lumpia. If I find some vegetables at the Indian grocery store today to make for the fresh lumpia vegetable, then I will make it. Let's see how much. I'm not sure. So that would be enough, right?
probably too much.
No.
Unless you're making enough for a couple of
Enough,
days.
yeah. So I can make some for tomorrow morning, you know?
Here's a little better shot of those chorizos. These things are massive. And that is from pork raised in Bluffton, Georgia. South Georgia, USA. No hormones, no steroids, no pesticide, no antibiotics.
Okay. So my garlic. Too bad we didn't have any bell peppers.
No bell peppers, I'm afraid.
Well, it's okay. Turn this on. Should I just use this coconut oil?
Yeah, coconut oil, avocado oil, whichever. Just please don't use canola or vegetable oil. Not in this house.
It's coconut oil made in the Philippines.
I approve.
Made in the Philippines. Put the garlic. Smells good. I love the garlic smell. And then you can also put the
Onions. Don't put too much onions in it, Paulie.
I love a lot of onions. It's my favorite. Red onions. Smells good. Alright. Then we can put the sausages. The pork.
Sausages.
Chorizo. That's our dinner for tonight. When we cook chorizo in the Philippines, to get a good moist, you usually have to, poke a hole. That way that, what they call the oil, the fat, will come out. That's, and it will have like a sauce. So that's how you do it,
Okay.
Especially when you cook chorizo in the Philippines. So make sure you do that. And you can only put a little bit of water when you cook chorizo. No oil. So that's how you...
Well, you didn't put water in that. You
No,
put
not
oil.
on this one. This is not the chorizo though. Talking about the Filipino chorizo. You know the little ones?
That's longanisa.
Yeah, with the skin.
So, do you call it chorizo in the Philippines?
Zamboanga, we call it chorizo.
Okay.
See how it's got all that hole now?
Wow.
You have good oil and taste salt. See? Yeah. Adding some black pepper. And then just a little bit of this onion powder. Just to have a little taste.
Onion powder?
Not garlic powder.
Garlic powder. Oh, okay. But you put whole garlic in there.
I did, but I like to put something.
I'm cool with heavy garlic. I'd be cool with
I
that.
like garlic flavor, so that's
Okay.
why. And onions. Yummy.
Get a little shot here.
A little bit of salt, so it'll be a little bit of salty. Yeah.
Nora's sporting her
I'm like experimenting.
corn shirt, I see.
Experimenting. See?
Nora, how many times have you seen Corn live?
Corn?
The band.
3 times I think.
3 times?
You know,
I haven't even seen them 3 times.
no, like a year ago or 2 years ago, I won a ticket and I went there for free.
Huh.
On the karaoke. I think the karaoke bro.
Look at that rice cooker steaming.
See my corn t-shirt tour? They're really good. I went to see corn not long ago. It's stained.
Don't look at me, camera. Nora, look at the camera.
Corn
There you go.
and stained together.
Stained?
Yes.
Oh, they're fixing to do a new tour.
They
Stained.
already
They're
in the
coming to
tour.
Alpharetta, I
They were
think.
here, yeah. I went to see
Oh,
them.
they already.
Yeah.
When?
Not long ago.
No, this is like this year. They're saying in September. They're going to be here. Yeah, see? You didn't even know that.
Well, I wanted to see Metallica in November.
Folks, look at the size of those sausages.
See how that's sauce, you know, the oil
Goodness.
coming out.
Then some real
So it won't
sausages right there.
Get dry, see? You want those oils to come out when you cook. You have to take some later on. That's it. That's our food. Done.
So you tasted one I saw. Like that.
Yummy. Spicy.
See, I told you they were spicy. You wanted to add that spicy red pepper to them.
Ooh.
I was like, no.
Oh, look at all that grease that's coming out. I love that. That's yummy. Look,
Yeah, these are good
juicy.
quality sausages.
Look how juicy. Look, see? And all that. Look. See, that's how you do the chorizo.
They make those in the store too. That's not like something that comes in frozen or pre-prepared. It's made in store.
That's how you cook it. Get all that juice.
Yeah, it's very high quality, Nora.
Okay.
Awesome job. Thank you very much for cooking today.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you
Oh, we're
hit
not
like.
finished. You're still going to do your little exercise part, right?
No, but just make sure you hit like and subscribe.
Yeah. Hi guys, just a quick voiceover. I had to reduce the volume here because I don't want little Nora to get a copyright strike, so I'm really sorry about that. Please hang in there.
Rock star.
Again, guys, I'm so sorry. I had to reduce the audio in order to avoid a copyright strike from YouTube. We all know how strict these guys are, whatever their agenda is. But again, wanted to apologize for the interruption in the audio. It really is stupid. If you walk by an establishment that's playing music or you're listening to some music in your car while you're doing your video, you're not trying to give away free music. Their rules are a little too stringent. Who knows what their agenda is, but it is what it is, and you gotta abide by it. I thought TikTok was only like little 10-second videos or something.
60 seconds.
So it's kind of sad that we have to wrap up the video this way with the volume cut all the way down and some dude talking. You're like, who is this dude? I'm the one that has to edit her videos because she ain't got time for it, folks. You know, she was rocking out here to some good stuff and I was really liking it. And it would have made for a good video, but it would have gotten a copyright strike. So I had to go ahead and cut this thing down to nothing on the audio here at the end. It really is a shame. It really is. But at least you get to see little Nora rocking out. Don't let little Nora's looks fool you. She's a very educated gal. Went through 4 or 6 years schooling in the Philippines, college of course. And then her years of work experience there, came over here to the Atlanta area and found out that all that school and experience was worth nada, zilch, nothing, zero. So she went back to school here, fairly prestigious college in the Atlanta area, and got her 4-year degree, bachelor's degree here. Got a couple years in and then found out that the nursing program at her school had a 1 to 3 year waiting list, so she changed her major to criminal justice. I'm very proud of that girl. Now, at this point in the video, I'm not sure if what she's dancing to here is copyrighted or not, but just as a safe measure, I'm going to talk over it. I don't want little Nora getting a copyright strike. I mean, look at her. She don't deserve that kind of treatment, does she, folks? You can't do that to a woman like that. Cool. I'm glad my guitars are finally getting some use.
169 views in that one.
I certainly don't use my guitars enough. So if somebody wants to follow you on TikTok, how did they do that? Because I don't know anything about TikTok.
They just go find me, Norita 619. That's my TikTok.
Norita 619.
Look, that's my TikTok. So they can follow me on TikTok. I got lots of videos there. There you go.
Okay, so I guess that's gonna wrap this video up, Nora.
Okay, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe for my Chavacana
And
channel
ring the bell.
on YouTube. Okay? So
Awesome.
maybe when I get a chance to get some mango, green mango today, I can show you, the Indian store, I can show you the mango in the bagoong. Okay? Ciao.